Hello and welcome back to another session, guys. First of all, Jai Hind, all of you. This is Amardeep and very be welcome to all of you. So, are you ready to discuss today's session? Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready or not? If ready, then go and let's start today's session, guys. Basically, today we cover more different news. Yes, more different type of articles. Okay, so let's start. See, 11 children killed in Pakistani attack in three Afghan province against Taliban. Oh bhai sahab. At least 13 Afghans were killed illegally in a Pakistani airstrike in Afghanistan's coast, Kunar and Paktika. Among the dead were 11 children, said Taliban chief spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid. The other two were an elderly man and a woman. Oh bhai sahab, what is going on in this time? How Bharati Raja in solid dhoti shirt, oh bhai sahab, convince Kamal Hassan to star in 16 Vayathi वेंटर अच्छा इसको फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. सेंसेक्स निफ्टी ओपन फ्लैट एज मिडिल ईस्ट टेंशन इस्कलेटेड. बिजनेस रिलेटेड है ये, ठीक है ना. सो गाइस लिसन. ग्लोबल मार्केट्स रिमाइंड ऑन एज एज renewed tensions between the US and Iran dampened hopes for a ceasefire. Despite marginal gains in 11 of the 16 major sectors, the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex opened flat. The rupee also fell against the US dollar due to a spike in crude oil prices caused by the exchange of strikes between the two countries. Okay, now next. Study claims, what is this? Study claims GLP-1 users 30% less likely to develop breast cancer. Oh bhai sahab, breast cancer is the most big disease in India. Yes, listen to me very carefully, guys. uh, Listen to me very carefully, and also you are a girl or woman, then listen again very carefully. Okay, I cover it. GLP-1 medications used for type 2 diabetes and weight management may lower breast cancer risk by 30% in women aged 45 to 80. Listen this line: 30% in women aged 45 to 80. However, more research is need to confirm this. Maintaining a healthy weight and regular screenings are important for early detection in women. This is most important fact. Okay, so I cover it fully. A new study says GLP-1 drugs are associated with a lower risk of developing breast cancer. In fact in fact the Penn Medicine study found that women between the age of 45 and 80 who took GLP-1 medications were 30% less likely to develop breast cancer as opposed to those who didn't. The study presented at the 2026 American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting analyzed more than 1,10,000, 10,000, sorry, 1,10,000 women. The funding were also published in JCO Oncology Practice. The study's author Elizabeth MC Donald MD, PhD, a professor of radiology in the University of Pennsylvania Perelman School of Medicine and a practicing breast radiologist at Abramson Cancer Center noted that the study was obstructional and does not definitely confirm an association between GLP-1 medication and reduced breast cancer incidence. However, she noted that it does add to the growing body of evidence suggesting that it's worth investigating these weight loss drugs as potential cancer figures. See this disclaimer. This article is based on information from the public domain and or the experts we spoke to. Always consult your health practitioner before starting any routine. Yes, right. This is important. Okay. So I think you all getting this point what I am saying. Okay, now next. US launch pro proportional. US launches proportional strike on Iran over downed helicopter. Oh bhai sahab. The US launched a strike on Iran in response to the hounding of an American Apache hounding how h oh sorry do downing of an अमेरिकन अपाची हेलीकॉप्टर जो हम लोग लिए थे अमेरिका से ना, उसी के बारे में बोल रहा है. तो यूएस ईरान रख लिया, उसको डाउनिंग कर दिया नियर द स्ट्राइक ऑफ हरमुज स्टैंड ऑफ हरमुज. द अटैक टारगेट Iranian defense and radar system and were deemed a proportional response to unjustified aggression. फाइटिंग वगैरह चलते रहता है गाइस. एंथ्रोपिक रिलीज क्लाउड Fabil 5 with 3 grand guardrails, bringing Mycothos level AI to user 2 months after warning that it had built an AI model too powerful for a broad rollout. Anthropic publicly released Cloud 5, its latest AI model with Mythos level capabilities. It also unveiled Cloud Mythos 5, which has greater capabilities than the Mythos preview model released in April this year. Anthropic is currently only releasing Cloud Mythos 5 to limited industry partners. See, I keep telling Amazon to make spin-off on Siddhi like Maravios Mr. Myself, मानवी राजा। इंटरटेनमेंट में इसको अवॉइड करते हैं, इंटरटेनमेंट में अवॉइड करते हैं, ठीक है ना। बॉलीवुड में थोड़ा, बॉलीवुड में भी अवॉइड करते हैं, अभी नहीं करेंगे कवर। फुटबॉल में देख लो भाई, द फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड इज़ कमिंग टू अमेरिका, but not everyone is welcome this time. Oh भाई साहब, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी is illegally preparing for the FIFA World Cup 2026 despite political challenges. The city diversity and passion for football are on full display, with the US president set to attend the event. This marks a significant shift for a century that once viewed soccer as foreign. Maharashtra government waits expanding funds loan waiver to include 5.75 lakh left out of farmer. Maharashtra government to widen a scope of loan waiver scheme to include 5.75 lakhs farmer left out of previous scheme. CM फाटा ask अच्छा अवॉइड करो इसको। चलो आरबीआई के बारे में कवर करते हैं। लास्ट टाइम रिमेंबर व्हाट आई से लास्ट टाइम, से दिस FCNR despite why higher interest rates may be need to bring in NRI dollars. RBI has introduced a special provision for banks to increase their FCNR deposits until September 2026, which is expected to bring in $50 to $70 billion in foreign investment. To stay competitive, bank may need to rise despite rates by 100 basis point. The latest swap facility guidelines also make these despite more appearing by allowing banks to sell and buy back US dollar at the same rate. No worry guys, now I end the session because session long. if I take long session, then you feel like OMG, long session for my, not for you. Okay, so I cover it and I share in another session. Okay, then bye bye, tata again. Jai Hind, all of you guys, and telling me on comment section how was today's session. Yes, and what do you feel like right now after complete this session? Yes, you are feeling much important for me. Okay, then bye bye, tata again. Jai Hind, all of you.